I am your host, Arelis. You guys, I don't know about you, but I am so ready to embrace and welcome spring with open arms. Now, I did a video not too long ago where I did a winter refresh. I did take out some of my winter decor in that video, but in this video, I'm gonna take away all my winter decor and bring in my spring decor. So if you are interested in seeing what I'm gonna do, then stick around. Now here is a view of how my space looked like before, or actually after I did a little refresh. And as you can see, there isn't a lot of color going around because that is actually how I like it for the winter season. I like to use whites and silvers, so quite neutral. But now that it is spring, I can't wait to bring in more color. So yeah, first I'm going to pack up the rest of all the winter decor that I have. And as you know, it wasn't much, but still there are some that I have to put away. And most of all, of course, my throw blankets. Those are too cozy for the spring season. So now that I put away everything, and I mean everything, every decor piece is gone, because that is how I like to start my decorating, with a clean slate and a blank canvas. Now I went outside to the storage to get my spring bins, and there are still a few, but last year I did purge one bin, so I'm one bin down, but I still want to do some purging this year as well. See if I can get rid of one more bin at least. But anyway, before I start my decorating, I like to go through everything I have just to see what I have and what I want to use for the season. And this cute Happy Easter sign was a DIY that I did last year. And I have some more DIYs that I did. And as you can see, there is a lot here. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use. I do know that I'm going for a more of a bling look, and these cute carrots were also a DIY from last year. Now I do have a couple of items that won't fit the style that I'm going to use, like these, so they are going to stay in the bin. Now I do have this tiny haul that I want to share with you, just some items that I picked up after the spring season last year. And I got this super cute bunny. Look at it, how gorgeous. I really love the pattern on it. And I got it for only $1.50. And they also had a larger one like this, and it was only $2.50, but I thought, what would I do with something that big? So I decided to go with this little fella here, and I think it is so pretty. Just look at the details. So loving this. And the other thing that I picked up was this egg. I absolutely love the color on this, and of course because it's bling. And I got this one for $2.50, as you can see. Now these prices, they were amazing. These were the last pieces that they had, so I decided to pick them up immediately. And I also got this net of eggs, and as you can see, they are all the same, and they have this silver with this light blush pink color, and I thought this was so pretty. And I got this for, let me put on my glasses. Where are my glasses? Oh, here. Hang on. Yes, I got these for €4, and as you can see, they were €12. This package was €12, and I thought that was an amazing deal, so I snatched them immediately as well. And the final item that I want to share with you are also some eggs, and these are also these glam eggs, as you can see, different colors, and they were only $1.50. And these would look very cute in a bowl, or just to fill in maybe what is it, an apothecary jar or something like that. So I thought that was really cute, and for $150 you can't beat that. So those are just the items that I picked up last year that I wanted to share with you. So let's move on to decorating. And here are the items that I selected from my bins to use in my spring decor this year, and they are in the neutral glam style, as you can see, and I'm not sure, of course, if I'm going to be using all of them, but of course the new items I'm definitely going to incorporate in my decor. But yeah, these are the items that I got, and yeah, I'm gonna go as I go along. I just decide when I'm gonna be using them or not. So the rest of the bins I'm going to put back in storage. Now I just want to share with you how the weather is outside. It is really stormy. It has been for a few days already, and I have to say today is the first day that it's been raining with the wind. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, it is really like fall, like I've mentioned in one of my previous videos. But anyway, I was really lucky that it was dry at the moment that I had to get my bins out of storage a couple of hours ago. But anyway, this is how it's looking like outside while I prepare to get ready to decorate for spring. If you're new to my channel, then you probably don't know this about me, but I am obsessed with thrifting. I thrifted this vase for €3 a while back. I think it was before the first lockdown last year. And most of my decor are thrifted finds, as well as these beautiful florals that I got for $150 each. Now I was really happy to find them, because if you buy these new in store, they can be quite pricey. This cute little white bowl was a DIY that I did. In case you've missed it, I will leave the link of that video in the description box below. And you guys, this village candle, it smells so good. It is the English flower shop, and it has scents of cherry blossom, sweet pea and spring dew. And this flower pot or a planter was also a DIY, or maybe more of a thrift flip. I did a video on that as well, which I will link in the description box below. And I'm going to be placing this on my TV stand. And as you can see, I am using different types of hydrangeas. I have them in pink and in white. And as you can see, I am not using styrofoam or whatever. I'm just arranging them in the vase, and that is so easy to do. Of course, it depends on the shape and the size of your planter, but in case you can do that, you do not have to use any styrofoam, and you can just shape it the way you want, as I did right here. I'm going to create another arrangement for my dining table using this planter, which was also a DIY that I did, and I will link that as well in my description box below. I will be using some baby's bread and these pretty pink florals. The arrangement I will be doing off screen, but you will see that later on how I arrange it on my dining table. Now, as you know, I have a glass dining table, which I love so much. I've had this for years. I am still on the hunt for a larger one, but in the meantime, this will do. Now, because I have a glass dining table, I always use a runner, because I want the focus to be on the decor on my dining table instead of what's going on underneath the table. And for a change, I thought I would use these placemats. I purchased these years ago in Germany, and at the time I paid $4.95 for them, and now you can find these everywhere for just €1. But I really love the look of these, and I thought it would be something different instead of a straight runner. Now here is the floral arrangement that I just created. Now, I'm not sure if there's such a term as an egg patch, but that's what I really wanted to achieve here, just adding a bunch of different eggs. And I thought the look was very clean, simple and elegant, and keeping the focus on the floral arrangement in the middle. In case you've missed that part, this console table is new. I've had it since fall last year and I got this for free, you guys. I will insert a picture here so you can see how it used to look like, but I am so happy with this and I love decorating this for the different seasons. So let me know in the comments below if you decorate. Do you have specific steps that you follow in your decoration process? Like for me, for instance, my throw pillow covers and my throw blankets are the last steps in my decor that I switch out, as well as the cover of my ottoman. Now this ottoman, I've had this one for many years and I am still planning to switch this out for two smaller ones, and those are going to be a thrift flip, but I haven't found the right fabric yet. So in the meantime I will keep this, and I do have different covers for this ottoman, so I will change this out for the different seasons as well until I have my two new ottomans. We've almost come to the end of this video, but before I leave you with a small tour of how the space turned out, I want to thank you all so much for taking some time off to watch my video. And if you're new to my channel, I would totally love it if you would consider sticking around and hitting the subscribe button to become a resident of my happy home. So for now, thank you again for watching, and I see you again in my next one really soon. Bye.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line. Make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides if you feel my mind.